Hi everyone. First, thanks for those who watched the video about the Zanussi oven uh, glass removal that I did. I'm just redoing this video because I believe some people said my arms were in the way, so I'm just redoing it. This time around, I'm going to remove the door completely and also remove the glass. But let's just start with the glass because I'm just about to clean my oven, so I thought to just redo the video. Initially, people said they didn't see because of my arm, so I'm just gonna try to get that view. Hopefully you can see it all right. I'm zooming in now just so you can see. So we're removing this and the other one on the other side. So let's start with this one first. Yeah, you're literally snapping it out like that, and you're doing the same thing to the other bit there. Yeah, you're snapping it out. See, they've all both snapped out. It's stuck in a pin there, so you've just got to lift it up once it's snapped out. Now that's what they look like when you've snapped them out. That's the right hand side there, and this one is on the left hand side. So yeah, they sit like an M when you've removed them, so that you know how to fit them back. Now that I've removed these, your glass should easily lift up. Yeah, you should be able to take your glass off now to wash it. Yeah, so that's the very easy way. You've cleaned that, you can clean all of that. So I hope you've seen that. Now I'm going to put them back. So I'm best starting with the one at the other side. So basically when you want to put it back, that's the hole where the black pin there needs to sit back. I'm just going to bring it closer so you see the pin. Can you see that pin? Yeah, so that's where that should go, and then you should be able to slot it back in. So I'm hoping you can see it there. So you first of all slot it back in that way. You get it to go back into the hole. Yeah, and then it's ready to snap. And you just snap it back. Yeah, snap that one back. Yeah, I hope you saw that. So I'll do the same here. There's that same black pin there. Let's see if I can zoom in there just so you can see the action better. You can see there's a black pin there. You literally bring this in, put it back into the hole, and then you snap. That's it, all fitted. Now I'm going to go a step further. I want to remove the full door completely. You see that? You just need to swing it right up. It opens, yeah? Can you see that? I swing it back, you can hear the click. You open it. I do the same on the other side. Swing it, can you see? So they are both open now. Then you lift it up to, I think it's 30 to 45 degrees. Once you've lifted it this way, 30 to 45 degrees, like you're about to close your oven, you just lift it up. Yeah. Yeah. It's a bit tricky when you start it, but yeah, you should be able to lift it out. Yeah. It's all out. Now you can wash your oven or your glass door. You can clean it better. Yeah. The same way. So yeah, the same way you've snapped it out. You see what it looks like when they come out. Yeah, you're gonna try to find how it goes in. Putting it back in might be a bit tricky. You might need help from a partner or someone at home. But it's literally trying to find. You would feel it when it's gone in the way it should go. Yeah? You lift it back down and you can snap it back in. And that's it. Oven back. Well, I hope it showed something. If it's not clear, just let me know and I can talk you through it. But yeah, I thought to let people know because cleaning ovens when the door is not out is always a problem. But yeah, that literally fixes it. That's all fixed up. Okay, hope that helped. Bye.